Hello from Nykvarn, this municipality that's the southernmost one in Stockholm region, and I am now going to run 4 kilometers all the way to Lövnäs Naturistbad, Lövnäs Nudist beach. So last year I did the same challenge, but I started from the Nykvarn Stockholm, the main station. From there it was 5 kilometers. Today I opted from Vägen, which is a bus stop here. So from here it is only 4 kilometers. So it's gonna be 8 in total. So let's then run and take a swim and explore the nudist beach Lövnäsbadet once again. So after 1 year I'm back at it. So let's then run together and explore once again Lövnäsbadet, Naturistbad in Nykvarn, Stockholm. Let's go! So the aim is to get there sub 20 minutes, 4 kilometers. So let's go. I'm gonna make it. It's quite nice setting here, to be fair. And I remember I really enjoyed my swim there, as it is a lake actually, and it is quite warm. And there is also a public beach next to the nudist one. So yeah, but the bad thing was the traffic road that I'm going to enter in a bit. There were so many cars there. But yeah, the sun is up now after some thunderstorm earlier. So let's continue the run. Woohoo! Already at 200 meters. One kilometer at 5 minutes and 2 seconds. So I have now switched up the gears, so it's gonna be faster the next kilometer. I'm passing by now horse ranch, and there are some horses walking on the road. So quite the countryside. This is Nykvarn. Yep, there are more horses and ponies over there. A ranch farm, indeed. And I'm approaching the main road, so wish me luck with all the cars over there. Around 2 kilometers on the main road would it be, and there is no other alternative road here, so that means I will speed up in order to spend less time inhaling the gases from the cars, the fossil cars obviously. It's all good with the electric cars for sure. Here we have a stop sign, and some crazy car is behind me, approaching me at the speed of light. Yes. Alright, let me show you a bit of the road also. I see a sign that you're gonna see soon as well, so they tell you 13 kilometers. And that's actually how I came here. I took the bus from Södertälje. And Södertälje you can get to by the Pendeltåg, the train, which was unfortunately now under maintenance. So there are replacement buses for part of the journey. Not so much traffic the road today. Here we see Nykvarn 4 kilometers and Yngern 11. 4 seems quite long, right? Maybe. But yeah, I'm at 1.5 kilometers now already. So let's continue the last 2.5 kilometers. Second kilometer at 4:47, so I'm now below 10 minutes from 2 kilometers. And I see a sign, I'm approaching sensitive nature area, lake Yngern. That is the one that I'm going to be swimming in actually. And the beach, Lövnäs, Naturistbad. So, not so many cars on the road today compared to last time I was here. But today is Saturday, 27th of July 2024. And today is exactly 12 years from my anniversary of my participation in the London 2012 Olympic Games. The opening ceremony was on this very same day 12 years ago. I made even a post here on YouTube with one of my favorite pictures from the opening ceremony with my fellow teammate from Macedonia, my home country that I represented. So check that post out as well. And yes, that's why I'm running, because I'm an Olympian and I have a lot of experience in running, which I haven't been doing that much lately, to be fair, but it comes natural for me to run. So let's continue along this road as I am now approaching soon a destination. Let's go. Three kilometers at 4:58 and below 15 on the overall 3 kilometers. And I'm getting very close now. It's only less than 1 kilometer and the rain starts to fall right now. Let's see if it's going to be substantial or not. But I'm going for a swim anyway, as this is Beach Adventures with Chris, and I am doing these adventures despite of the weather and the conditions for it. So yes, let's then continue the run on this road in the middle of this forest in Nykvarn, on the way to the nudist beach, Lövnäs badet, Lövnäs Naturistbad. And it's actually a lot closer than I thought. Only 3.5 kilometers from Rudkällarvägen, the bus stop where I started from. I'm now at the parking spot here for Lövnäsbadet. That's almost completely empty. Here we have another sign, welcome to Lövnäs. And yes, it is maintained by Nykvarn's commune. So 3.5 kilometers in 17 minutes and 19 seconds, which means it's not so much. I'm not tired at all. So I'm gonna try a bit more harder and faster on the way back. But now let's then start off the beach adventure, and make sure to tune in for the video upload of the beach adventure from the nudist beach that is coming up soon on my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this running with Chris on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.